Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Country Blocker widget, a powerful tool that helps you restrict access to your Shopify store based on visitors' geographic locations. With this widget, you can block specific countries from viewing your site or show a custom message explaining the restriction, helping you manage access while maintaining a professional experience for your visitors. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Country Blocker widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Country Blocker. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Professional Widget. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets. Country Blocker. Here you can customize all settings. Country List function. This is where you can decide which countries you want to block from accessing your store. You have two options here. Block. Restrict access to specific countries. Whitelist. Only allow access from specific countries. Country codes. You'll need to enter country codes in the Alpha 2 code format, separated by commas. For example, INUSGB. Not sure about the country codes? No problem. You can see all available country codes from clicking this link. Inline error message. Customize the error message that visitors will see when they're blocked. For example, sorry, this store is not available in your country. Alignment. You can choose where the error message will appear on your store page. You have 3 placement options to customize its position. Left. Displays the error message on the left side of the screen, ideal if your layout aligns most elements to the left. Center. Positions the message at the center of the screen, making it the most visible option for visitors. Right. Places the error message on the right side. A good choice if your store design emphasizes right-aligned content. And that's it. Your Country Blocker widget is now set up and ready to go. By customizing it, you can control who accesses your store while keeping your message clear and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.